have the factory Y62 unit. Probably about 2013 and maybe 2023 they have this one. This model will suit like that. So you've got the screen on the top, yeah, let's see, it's a wood grain here. If you've got the screen down here, that's a different option. We don't have one for that yet. Or if you have your screen up here, that is the newer model. So we get a few frequently asked questions in here. I guess one of the first ones is what amount of room does it take up? So that's the head unit's going to come from this silver piece all the way down to just above here. So this bottom bar with like switches and like stuff, you'll still keep that. Your camera will remain the same. It won't get any better. It'll just be on a bigger screen. And that could make it clearer. So maybe not, but it's a bit like a DVD on a big screen or something old school tech when you go to a bigger screen. That'll all still work, so your 360 cameras, etc. Steering wheel controls will still work. Yeah, if you've got like a factory amp model, so that'll still work. That's about it really, and then you get obviously our updated unit, which is going to give you a wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a big touch screen. That's another thing. Actually, your AC controls have the physical controls still, plus there's some on-screen controls. We'll show you once it's done. Then the unit runs so like Android as like a base, so you can treat it like a big tablet. So you can put off-road maps on there, or different stuff. You can also put a secondary camera, caravan camera, etc. into it if that's something you want to do. So there's plenty of things you can do with it. We'll show you what it looks like at the end, but that sort of covers most of the frequently asked questions we get about these Y62s. So steering wheel controls, yes. The factory camera still works, so yes. If you got like a factory amp, yes, that's still going to work. You still have physical AC buttons. And the install, it's actually not too hard. Majority of people can do it. If you know how to use a socket set, you'll be fine. That probably covers most things. So you've got all that, and then again, all your reverse camera and things will still work how the factory one did. So if you get to close to something and you're going slow, they used to pop up. That will still work, or as it did, the 360 cameras. You're going to have wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, so it'll pop up on here. You will also be able to have our actual device. So it's got Android installed, so you can treat this like a big tablet, the Play Store in here, and some extra things like so. Traditional radio will still, so this will actually work the same as it did, AM, FM. So we covered steering wheel controls, camera's still the same. Your two USBs down here will still work. Yeah, you got a big obviously volume knob here if you do need it. That's probably everything. So if that's an upgrade you do want to make, that's what it sort of looks like. It's just the second part of the FAQ video, covering once it's installed. So you can see that's what it looks like once it's installed. So in terms of the room, it takes up from up here, this silver bit, all the way down to just above your bottom of the panel down there. So that is how it sort of fits in. You've got your AC controls still on here as a push button, plus you can actually control them up on the screen like that. That's sort of how that still works. In terms of your factory steering wheel controls, all still working as they should. Reverse camera is going to just work exactly how the old one actually used to work. I do need to get rid of those other lines. I'll take those off.